Everyone, Ali is here from Safi Financial Network. Today is June 19th, 2022. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers in the world. So they're pretty important person in our life. And I'm sure that everyone needs to proud themselves to have a great father, as everyone has a father in their family. All right. Tomorrow market will be closed due to Independence Day, but in this video I'm going to talk about a different thing. I'm going to talk about the US oil price in monthly chart. As you see, this is a very higher time frame monthly chart since 1987 till now, and I'm going to compare this to inflation rate, and that's why if you follow me, I'm telling you deflation is coming. And we're just talking about S&P 500 as well, inflation, crude oil price, and Fed fund rate, which is the interest rate. Everyone knows that as the interest rate. Okay, in this video, just follow me by the end of this video. And if you like the type of research that I'm doing, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel, which is giving us the least support from you folks. Okay, so here is the US oil chart, and as you see here, we're just getting to a very parabolic move to the upside, as everyone knew that we just had a very dramatic 2 years for US crude. Just because this one goes down, the future contract goes down to negative. This is not a future contract, this is CFD, which goes to 19-ish, and then it went all the way up to here to 109, 115, which is month of May. And as you see here in the monthly chart, we had this parabolic move to the upside in 2008, and all the commodity prices went all the way up to the sky in 2008. Inflation was very high in that time, and Federal Reserve wants to suppress the inflation, so that's why they increased the rate, the interest rate. And if you just add interest rate to this chart, and as you see here, this is the interest rate. Just added interest rate to the chart, and as you see here, we have interest rate hike from June 2004 all the way up to September 2006, and they just keep the interest rate steady to suppress the inflation. But in that period, just as you see here, crude went all the way up to the sky to 140 or something. But the point is, when crude is coming down due to deflation, what happened to the stock market? And as you see here, I just added a stock market chart, which is the cyan chart, to compare these three charts together. And you see interest rate just going up. Market had a correction. It was a severe correction. When interest rate get steady, market still going higher and higher, but market topped before crude oil topped. So market topped at October 2007. So I just want to point out this to the chart. So here's the market in October 2007. Market topped, stock market, but in May 2008, oil peaked here at 140 or something. Then after that, oil just came down all the way to here to I don't know, $40 or something. This one just to show the percentage. But the point of this video is stock market is kind of leading indicator prior commodity price, and when commodity price falls down, inflation is going down as well. So inflation and interest rate went down with stock market, but right now stock market just today, stock market is going down prior inflation. Just inflation or Fed fund rate start to increase a bit, but here is the crude oil. So crude oil, we have a divergence. So whenever we have this divergence, stock market just coming down, this one is going up, I believe we are at the beginning of the cycle peak for oil. And when oil is peaked, then we should expect this one is coming down sharply like this. And when this one is coming when this one is coming down sharply, inflation is coming down sharply as well. And I believe Fed fund rate, which is interest rate, is going to be steady somehow here around September. So probably we will have another hikes in July and August or September probably, but we are not going to see further interest rate hike due to inflation, just because Federal Reserve is waiting for inflation to just cool down, and inflation is having absolute relation or correlation with the oil price and commodity price. So when oil price and commodity price is going down, inflation is coming down, and there is no need to increase more interest rate for Federal Reserve to suppress the inflation, just because inflation is coming down as well. So this is my idea that I believe, again, stock market is rolling over prior commodity price, which is oil. And when the stock market is rolling over down, we are into a bear market and recession. And I believe even if we are having a dead cat bounce or rebound from somewhere from here to the upside, but we are into a major bear market to probably this area as well, which is going to be somewhere around 3,200 to 3,000 in S&P 500 weekly analysis. I will give you more insight of that one, but I believe deflation is coming, and based on the deflation, all the recessions are kind of deflationary. All recessions, we will have commodity price and oil prices coming down. In all recession, after these two happening, we will see interest rate is coming down. So when Federal Reserve sees economy is slowing down, so for just adding more energy to the stock market, to the real market, to the main street, they just bring down the interest rate down. And that's how Federal Reserve is doing during the cycle bust and boom. And as you see here in 2008, Federal Reserve just keep interest rate down somewhere around 0 until 2016. So almost for 7 years actually, they just keep the interest rate down. This helps a lot for the stock market after a crash. Obviously, this help out. Stock market is going higher and higher. Mainstream businesses are going higher and higher and develop their businesses as well. So we are expecting more prices coming down for S&P 500, but this is kind of the turning point. To be honest, I believe the turning point is happening for crude oil, and probably somewhere in September, October, we will see Federal Reserve stop increasing rate due to cooling down the inflation. Okay, if you like this video, please smash the like button, go to our channel and subscribe to our channel. If you have any question, please put your question down there. I'm gonna answer that ASAP. Have a wonderful weekend. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.